Let Sturck Systems introduce you to the Hymer paste table range. If you want to do a decent wallpapering job, you'll need a decent paste table. Hymer's wallpaper paste tables are easy to store, transport and use. With a strong tubular aluminium folding frame and secure locking mechanism, the quality and superior nature of these tables is easy to see. The Hymer paste table comes in a 2 or 3 meter length and is available as 600 or 800 millimeters wide, featuring a printed ruler on the plywood top to help you when you're measuring up. Done with the wallpapering? No need to put this table away just yet. With a permitted load of 100 kilograms and a working length of 2 or 3 meters, this Hymer paste table is ideal as an extra dining table. Use this paste table for hobbies, leisure, in the home or in the garden. Visit our website today or call us now to find out more. Thanks for watching.